It's Music City Sings at 6, and here's a song from 1961 by singer Dee Clark, who also wrote the song. It's threatening rain here, so that's what I'm going to sing about. Oh, raindrops, so many raindrops. It feels like raindrops falling from my eyes, falling from my eyes. Since my love has left me, I'm so all alone. I would bring him back to me, but I don't know where he's gone. Don't know where he's gone. Must be a cloud in my head. Rain keeps falling from my eyes. You know it can't be teardrops, for a woman ain't supposed to cry. So it must be raindrops. So many raindrops. It feels like raindrops falling from my eyes, falling from my eyes. Dee Clark was born in Blytheville, Arkansas, moved to Chicago, and his mother, Essie Mae Clark, was a gospel singer who encouraged Dee to pursue his love of music. I suggest you put on a silly hat and go out in the rain and sing for your neighbors. Bye.